In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminders and set expirations in Docusign. Whether you're new to Docusign or looking to streamline your document management process, this guide will help you keep everything on track. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Docusign website. This is the starting point where all the magic happens when it comes to handling electronic signatures and managing your agreements intelligently. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the site's main page. Clicking it will prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your login details handy to avoid any delays. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. This is your hub for managing documents and templates, and from here you can initiate various tasks, like sending documents or setting up reminders. You'll see a user-friendly interface that makes navigating through these tasks straightforward. Next, locate and click on a template you want to use. Templates are a great feature in Docusign because they save you the hassle of recreating similar documents repeatedly. By selecting the appropriate template, you'll ensure consistency and accuracy across your documents, which is especially useful for frequently used forms or agreements. Once you've selected a template, direct your attention to the email message section. This is the key area where you can specify the details about the document and set up your reminders. Within this section, you'll notice options for crafting messages that accompany your documents, providing additional context or instructions to your recipients. Now let's focus on setting the frequency of reminders. This step is crucial, particularly when dealing with time-sensitive documents. In this area, you can decide how often you'd like to remind your recipients to take action. It could be daily, weekly, or based on another schedule that suits your needs. This feature ensures that all parties involved are regularly prompted, helping you maintain momentum and prevent any delays in the document signing process. To recap, you've now learned how to efficiently navigate the Docusign platform, from logging in to selecting templates, setting up your email messages, and configuring reminder frequencies. This process not only helps documents get signed promptly, but also makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. Remember to tailor the frequency of the reminders to fit the urgency of your tasks, balancing frequent notifications with necessity. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your document workflow effectively, keeping all your electronic agreements and processes running smoothly. Practice these steps a few times, and soon enough, setting up reminders in Docusign will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy document managing.